Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a reverse logo in Canva. This is a great way to adapt your logo for different backgrounds, especially dark or colorful designs. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to create a reverse logo, the first thing we need to do is upload your logo. Just insert it here. Since we already have a logo ready, we will click it so it appears on the canvas. Once it's on the canvas, click your logo image and then click Edit in the top toolbar. We will head to the Filter section. In the Filter section, click See All to view all the available options. From there, scroll down until you see the duotone option. Once you find it, choose the Custom option so we can make our own adjustments. To reverse the logo colors, change the shadows from black to white and the highlights from white to black. As you can see, the colors are now reversed and the logo has been inverted. This method lets us adjust the logo colors so they stay visible and look great across different backgrounds. It also helps keep the brand consistent while improving contrast and readability. When we are happy with the result, click Save. And that's how we create a reverse logo in Canva. With this simple technique, we can make any logo more flexible and ready for any design.